Ah, you're here. It's only the most curious type of people that actually enjoy potholes. For most, they're a real pain. But what many people actually ask is, how do potholes form in the first place? Potholes can form for a number of reasons, but principally among them is probably standing water. It's very, very typical this time of year when you've got heavy rainfall. And essentially what happens, you'll get a deformation of the road, probably in the wheel tracks or where there's some rutting that has formed due to heavy traffic. So essentially what you're getting is this hydraulic action, and there can be huge forces involved in this. And the water, as it's being compressed into the road, will actually seep in through the cracks and blow out the pothole. So that's why you can see these potholes form in the winter time. Generally, the people say that they can develop like mushrooms. Ah, you're here. Most people think potholes are a pain. Okay, let me start that again.